Ever feel like your paycheck just isn't stretching as far as it used to? Like you're working harder but somehow buying less? You're not alone. Today we're diving into a critical issue: why your money is losing value faster than ever, and most importantly, what you can actually do about it. We're talking about inflation and how it's quietly chipping away at your financial well-being. So, what exactly is inflation? Simply put, it's the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services is rising, and consequently, the purchasing power of currency is falling. Your dollar doesn't buy as much as it used to. Think about it. Remember when a gallon of gas was significantly cheaper? Or that favorite snack? That's inflation in action. It's like a silent thief, slowly eroding the value of your savings. The government likes to tell you it's only up by a little bit, but you know it's much greater than they claim. But why are things getting so much more expensive? Several factors are at play. Supply chain disruptions, increased demand, and even government policies can all contribute. Think about food prices, droughts, transportation issues, and rising energy costs all impact the price you pay at the grocery store. Housing is another big one. Limited supply and high demand have pushed prices up dramatically in many areas, making it harder than ever to afford a place to live at. This isn't just about everyday convenience, it's about your entire financial future. If your wages aren't keeping pace with inflation, and for many people, they aren't, you're effectively taking a pay cut every single year. Your savings are losing value. Money sitting in a low interest savings account is actually decreasing in purchasing power over time. That retirement you're working so hard for, inflation makes it that much more further away. Don't be discouraged though. There are many ways to fight back. You have the power to take control of your money and make smarter decisions. Strategy number 1, investing. So how do you protect your wealth from inflation? First, consider investing. Historically, certain asset classes like stocks, real estate, and commodities have outpaced inflation over the long term. Now, investing involves a risk, okay? It's crucial to do your research and to diversify your portfolio. Consider speaking to a financial advisor to determine the best investment strategy for your individual circumstances. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your risk around. Strategy 2, high yield savings. Next, explore high yield saving accounts or certificates of deposits. These offer higher interest rates than traditional savings accounts, helping to offset some of the impact of inflation. While the returns may not be huge, they're generally safer than investing in the stock market and can provide a more secure place to park some of your cash. Online banks often offer more competitive rates than brick-and-mortar institutions, so shop around. Strategy 3, invest in yourself. Finally, and perhaps most importantly, invest in yourself. Acquiring new skills or certifications can make you more valuable in the job market, leading to higher earnings. This is a proactive way to combat inflation by boosting your earning potential year after year. Take an online course, attend a workshop, or pursue a degree. Your future self will thank you. Inflation is a serious challenge, but it's not impossible. By understanding the problem and taking proactive steps, you can protect your wealth and secure your financial future. What strategies are you using to combat inflation? Let us know down below in the comments, and thank you for watching.